Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to add a YouTube video directly into Figma to use in your designs or prototypes, you're in the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get a YouTube video into your Figma file. A super useful trick for showcasing video content, presenting ideas, or just making your design work more interactive. So let's jump in and walk through the steps together. First things first, we're going to open up FigJam. That's Figma's collaborative whiteboarding tool, a really handy place to start for this process. Think of FigJam as your digital scratch pad. Open it up and have it ready to go in your browser or Figma desktop app. Next, let's head over to YouTube and find the video you want to embed. This could be anything. A demo for a client, an inspirational clip for your team, or even your own video if you're building a portfolio. Once you've found the video, click into it and grab the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. That's the direct link you'll need. Just highlight it, right-click and choose Copy, or use Command+C or Control+C if you prefer keyboard shortcuts. Easy so far, right? Now flip back over to FigJam. In any open file or board, just paste that YouTube link directly onto your FigJam canvas. Simply hit Command+V or Control+V. When you do this, FigJam automatically recognizes that it's a YouTube link and it'll generate a nice little video preview right there on your canvas. This is super helpful for workshops, brainstorms, or any kind of collaborative session where you want to share video content with others, right in the moment. After you've got that video preview in FigJam, go ahead and select it by clicking on it. Make sure it's highlighted. If you see those little blue outlines and drag handles around the video, you're all set. Now just copy the video embed, either by right-clicking and choosing Copy or using your favorite shortcut. Let's switch gears now and go back into Figma Design. This is the core design workspace where you build out your prototypes, mockups, and all kinds of cool UI work. Once you're in the Figma file where you want the video to appear, all you have to do is paste. Again, Command+V or Control+V will do the trick. You should see that very same YouTube video widget pop into your Figma canvas, usually wherever your cursor was pointing. If not, look for it nearby. It sometimes lands a few pixels away from where you expect. Now for the fun part, let's test that video. Click on the play button or the preview image. The video should open right there and start playing without leaving your Figma workspace. This is such a game changer if you want to show off video content inside your designs or guide your team through a visual journey. No more toggling between tabs or dropping in screenshots that don't do the real thing justice. If the video is taking a second to load, don't worry, sometimes it just needs a moment to buffer. And that's it. You've successfully added a live, playable YouTube video to your Figma project. This method works great for user flows, interactive presentations, onboarding screens, pretty much any design where video will add value. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like, drop your questions or ideas in the comments below, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Figma and design tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Happy designing!